Hi, welcome to an Inventor 2023 video tutorial. The next one in the series, the joint fork. Very easy and quick to do in Inventor. So, let's have fun with Inventor. Okay, let's start with a sketch on the XY plane. I want to go for some circles, so one at the origin, diameter is 40, another one over here, diameter is 30, and another one down below, and again 30 in diameter. Let's align those, 2 points horizontal and the other ones vertical. Now add dimensions. This would be 110 and that distance should be 50. Let's add some lines and press Ctrl in order not to snap something by accident. And go for tangency and see that we don't catch something, which happens all the time. Yeah, this looks good, so go for trim. And my first sketch is done. Finish that sketch. And this should be hidden, at least for the moment. Now the second sketch should be on this plane, because it makes the shortest possible camera move. I want to align it like that and select that plane. Now, could I do with reference points or with a line? I need a line, a construction line. In that direction, and the length should be 1 to 5. Okay. Then I will need 2 circles. One, second one. And both of them should be, of course, not for construction. So deactivate that sign. Should I go for dimensions? I can try with dimensions. So this one should be 64 and that one should be 80. That's the smaller one, obviously. 80, like that. Now the distance from this point to that point should be 95. Now let's add some rectangles. One here and 2 over there, maybe like this. Okay. These rectangles should be symmetric to that construction line. And I need tangency or dimensions. I want to go for tangency. So this one should be tangent to that one and this one should be tangent to this one. Then this dimension should be 10 and that distance should be 20. Now let's move this over here. Okay. Another dimension would be from this one to that line and this should be 73. 3, and that distance here should be 125. Now let's trim and see what we will lose. I could of course delete that line and also this one and then trim. So this should be removed. This should be removed. This here should be removed, and I've already lost some constraints, and this happens almost all the time. This should go away, that should go away. These should be deleted. And then trim here, over there, over here, and this one. So let's make those two collinear and add a dimension from this point to that one here, which should be 125. Maybe I've lost also those. Seems so. Yeah, I didn't lose this one, but this should be maybe concentric to that one. Nope. So I've lost the tangency here. Nope. So what can we do with this one? Oh yeah, I see. So there should be a tangency right here. And go for another trim. Like that. And again I've lost some constraints. That's really annoying. So this should be 32. This should be 32. And I think I've lost the vertical constraint here. Yep. This looks okay. No. Maybe again that alignment. Now it's okay. Finish that sketch. Bring back the first sketch. And now I can do my extrudes. First extrude maybe with this one here. Make it symmetric, make it 100. Then go for the second extrude. Make it symmetric, make it 150. And make it an intersection. And confirm. Now another sketch on the XY plane. Cut the graphics. Make a circle. Make it 40. Finish that sketch. Make another extrude. Make it symmetric, make it 20. Okay. And then I can add my fillets. So begin with 50 millimeter on this edge and that edge. Then go for 10 millimeter on this edge and that edge. Then go for 5 millimeter on this one and on this one and that one. Okay. Next are the holes. So go for a hole. It should be, yeah, those values would be for those two, so I can go for those two. 25, it's counterboard, 2.5 depth, 80 millimeter, looks good. So select that surface, select this edge, and then it should go up to this surface. Apply. Select this surface, select the circular edge, and again up to this face. Plus. Now it should be a simple one, not a counterboard one. And it should go through all. Diameter should be 18. This looks good. So select this surface, select the edge as reference, plus select the surface, select the circular edge, and OK. And I'm done. So hope you liked it. Hope it was helpful. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Would really help. You could follow me also on Facebook, Instagram, GrabCat, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.